Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to replace stock headlight bulb on the Maruti Suzuki Brezza with high performance Philips bulb. So basically the VX and LXI model stock bulb are not performing well. That's why I have decided to upgrade to the Philips. First thing first, to pop the hood of your Brezza and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You will find the bulb housing right here behind the headlight. Now carefully unplug the wiring connector from the bulb and just press the tab and pull it out. Twist the bulb holder counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Once it's out, remove the stock bulb from the holder. Make sure you don't touch the new bulb's glass surface with your bare hand. So I recommend you to use the gloves. Now grab the new bulb and insert into the holder the same way the old one was positioned. Once it's locked in, align it back into the headlight housing and twist clockwise to secure it. Reconnect the wiring plug until it clicks in place, and let's quickly turn on the headlight and make sure everything is working perfectly. See, Philips bulb is much brighter and whiter than the stock one, so that's a big upgrade for the night driving. That's it. Thank you.